3, 2, 1.
Wild at heart. Look at these Sparwood houses that go right to
Sparwood.
There's the mall right here.
They're selling. Oh, there it is!
T-Rex. It's called a T-Rex Titan.
Mommy, I want to
T-Rex
go.
Titan.
You want to go right in it?
Yeah.
Whoa!
Go, Daddy.
Right in the main drag.
Let's go, Mom.
Buds and blooms. Put the buds and
I
blooms
just
in the
want to
mall
go,
here.
Dad.
The bargain shop. They
Yeah,
have
I'm
the
going to the bargain
bargain
I
shop.
just want to go to the
They
truck.
got water there.
I
There's
just
big
want to go
bottle.
to the truck.
Go buy some water.
Daddy, I
They
want
have Sparwood,
Save on
that?
foods. There we go.
Remax. Oh no.
People's got to stop honking at us. I'm tired of that. I didn't even do anything. Look at this, buds and blooms.
We are here now at the Sparwood T-Rex. What the biggest truck. Let's catch up with Junior. Where's Junior? There he is. Oh no! Whoa! Look at that wheels. Holy moly! Holy moly, Sparwood. Up high, yeah. So up high. How can you go in there?
I'm not big enough.
Yeah. You have to have your ladder or your wings.
One wings?
Yeah.
Wings, go, go.
Yeah.
Mommy, I want to be up high.
You can fly.
I want to fly.
Watch for the cars. So this is the biggest truck in Sparwood. And we park right in there. Junior. Hey, watch for the vehicles, guys. No running. That guy daw. Mahangin. Junior. It's so windy. Hey, Junior. You gotta ask, okay? You don't go pet the dog. You gotta ask the owner, okay?
No.
Yes.
I said no.
He got a hand and a water bottle. What else? He have look at his shoes. No, it's okay. Kuya can come too. Come on, Kuya. Go with Junior.
No.
Hey, Junior.
They can come in here.
You take a picture with Kuya. Oo, parang may iba't ibang ano ganyan pa na maliliit. Isa lang pala. It's just one big truck. Go check out the truck. Everybody's taking a picture. Picture time. No, they can't go down. Look at mommy. That's cool. Starwood, yours and mine.
It's beautiful. Nice bridge.
Thanks for watching, everyone. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, All Night Vlogs, and also click the like button and the notification bell for you guys will get updated to our new videos. Much love, everyone. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.